This is a different kind of video. We're doing airsoft.
This thing rolls because those BBs on it.
We got the BBs and a few guns and some Dunkin' Donuts because why not? We got a shotgun.
It's like it's in water. Look at this. This is crazy.
Yeah. These are none of them are real guns.
These are real guns.
They all have the orange cap.
5.56, this is 12 gauge and this is 7.62.
Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna do some airsoft, and we got this, so let's do it.
This time we're gonna do both Luke and Christian against me for infection. How about you guys start on this side and I'll start on that side of the house.
Alright, sounds good.
Alright.
I'm gonna make it look like a video game because it kinda looks like it. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go. The whole magazine just fell out. You got eyes. Do you get him? Oh, that was close. Both our guns stopped working. Ooh.
You guys want to do the
Oh, was it jammed?
Yeah.
Oh.
You guys want to do the same thing this round or what?
I mean, my guns are.
We could. I'm probably gonna use the shield
Alright, yeah.
somewhere.
Right
it's over there. Here's the shield. This is a big shield.
It does actually against this. In case it does hit my eye.
I moved it.
Yeah, just be careful of those, because those are like $70, I think.
Oh shit! All right.
Yeah.
It's just Luke.
What?
Oh my god. It's all getting stuck on it. Right. Let the games begin. Ball hit. Oh, I got him. End of video.
Oh, baby.
End of video. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Oh,
Holy.
oh.